Hey, I'm going to play a bass pattern twice, and I want to see if you could tell the difference. See what I'm doing differently. Here it is. Versus. Did you spot that difference? I'm using the G sharp. I'm using the counter bass, not just the straight alternate bass technique. I'm throwing in that the 3 note going up to the 4. It's a really, really cool technique. It's an easy way of using the counter bass to create a stepping stone to move from the 1 chord to the 4 chord. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're omitting the 2 and just playing 1, 3, 4. It creates that sense of movement. That's what this month's monthly challenge is all about. I have a full lesson on which fingering to use and how to do this specific technique over on accordionlove.com. And your challenge this month, the August Accordion Love Monthly Challenge, is to use that technique. It works with majors, it works with minors in a song of your choosing. It could be Shostakovich's Second Waltz, right? Just do that as your monthly challenge. I want to see you. I want to hear you. For those of you that don't know about the Accordion Love Monthly Challenge, I'll have a link in the description. Every month, people from around the world, all ages, all skill levels, get together and we apply a musical idea. And those of us that do it 6 months, 6 challenges over a year, get an exclusive Accordion Love shirt. Those that do it 12 times over a year, they don't miss a month. They get an exclusive Accordion Love prize pack. Anyways, I hope to see you over there. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy.